In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings on Perplexity AI in this 2025 tutorial. Whether you're new to Perplexity AI or just looking for a way to customize your experience, adjusting the language settings can enhance your interactions and make the platform more accessible. So, let's dive in. First, you'll want to start by opening your preferred internet browser and heading over to Google. This is a straightforward first step, but essential if you're starting fresh from a blank tab. Once you have Google open, type Perplexity into the search bar and press enter. You should see the link to the Perplexity website appear at the top of your search results, given its popularity and relevance. Now, go ahead and click on the Perplexity website link to get directed to the homepage. This is where you begin the actual process of changing the language settings. Once the homepage loads, your next step is to locate your profile icon. For those unfamiliar, this is typically found at the lower left corner of the screen on the website's interface. With the profile icon clicked, you'll find yourself in the User Settings area. Here, look around for the option labeled Preferences. Clicking on Preferences is where you get to control various aspects of your user experience on Perplexity AI, including the all-important language settings. Once you're inside the Preferences section, you'll see an option marked Language. This is where you can specify your preferred language setting. So, if you're looking to change the interface to Deutsch, for example, simply click the drop-down menu, scroll or search for Deutsch, and select it. This action will immediately change the language for your user interface, helping you navigate Perplexity AI in the language you're most comfortable with. Remember, changing the language can make a significant difference, especially if you're multilingual or engaging with a multilingual audience. It helps in ensuring that the content and instructions on the platform are clear and easily navigable. And there you have it. Changing the language settings on Perplexity AI is as simple as that. These straightforward steps can help tailor your experience to suit your needs, enhancing your interaction with the platform. This is especially useful if you're working in a multilingual environment or simply prefer navigating software applications in a language other than the default. So go ahead and try these steps for yourself. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.